What did it feel like to not be heard by your doctor?
I felt angry that I wasn't heard, that I was incapable of saying how I felt.
Felt very disappointed. The reason why, because at that moment I felt like I needed to see a doctor and they didn't take the time to acknowledge how I felt.
Yeah, being a mom, I feel more lost because I rely on them and I trust their judgment and whatever they learned.
They were not understanding where I was coming from, where I felt like I was misheard in a way that I felt like I had no choice but to go to their decision, which made me feel closed off, and I felt like I wasn't inclusive in the decision that was being made.
I felt basically invisible. It was like a lot of females and males that didn't know what I was going through, and the doctors were like just overlooking me. And then when I did reach to someone, I was like, okay, but you guys were not listening, you guys didn't acknowledge me, and I still wasn't able to get anything done.
I had an issue with my shoulders and my body after an accident, and I took the concerns to my doctors, and because I was a young adult, they just undermined the fact that I was actually in pain. They don't really know my history, so they just didn't think that I was actually hurt just because of how I look, just based off of my age. It made me feel not heard, and people don't really care about my health, and they don't really take me seriously as an adult.
I'm dyslexic and I got problems to comprehend and to understand, and I feel unsure sometimes because I'm scared they might say, oh, excuse me, can I help you?
You want the doctor because you know he's in the health center telling you something you don't know, asking questions about your health, and he's not answering, make you like you are not important.